Hi guys, in my garden, in the rainwater butt, with the 3D printed boat, with a nice big lump of foam that I've carved and stuck in the back there with Gorilla Glue, the foaming stuff. So now it shouldn't sink. Yeah, looks like we're okay. In fact, I think we can add quite a bit of weight there and that's not going to sink. If you saw the previous video where I was testing this, even with that flotation chamber at the front there, it still sunk to the bottom of my water butt. It stayed that way up, but it still went all the way down. Whereas now, that big lump of foam there, it's not going to sink, so there's a chance of recovering it if it gets stuck in the middle of the lake. Oh, another thing, that 3S LiPo there, I was under the impression it was fully charged when I was putting it under the water last time, fully expecting all sorts of problems. When I checked it, it's faulty. The middle cell is completely dead. The outer two are okay, but the middle one won't take charge at all. So I'm not quite sure what's happened there, whether it has been allowed to run right down and I just can't get any more power back into it. I've tried all sorts of things, tried charging it as an ordinary nickel metal hydride or anything else other than a LiPo, just try and force some power into it, and it won't take any. If I measure it, the balance leads, the outer two have got charge in them, but the middle one doesn't give us anything. Which is odd, but that probably explains why it doesn't suddenly burst into flames underwater. Yeah, that might work.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.